got my worn-out copy of Old Man and the Sea. The tattered pages open to chapter 23. Sitting in a hammock, hanging on a warm Havana breeze. I spend my nights beneath 1,000 island stars, where sailors saddle up to the salt-stained wooden bars and talk about lost women and faded fishing scars. And when I need to get away from it all, I come down here where the drinks are strong and tall, and no one knows my name. Yeah, no place cures my pain like Hemingway's Hideaway. I've heard poets say there's treasure to find, that X marks the spot, but I think mine is marking time. Alone on a boat off the coast of paradise. And when I need to get away from it all, I come down here where the drinks are strong and tall, and no one knows my name. Yeah, no place cures my pain like Hemingway's Hideaway. Sunny weather and sugar cane rum together, everything feels better. And when I need to get away from it all, I come down here where the drinks are strong and tall, and no one knows my